Little drive around the city. This is a little aftermath after the blizzard. It's the aftermath right here. Look beautiful out here though. Oh, light green again. Let's get it. Yeah. Little commentary by yours truly, Quest Legends, founder and creator of the Slums Project. Y'all know how I do. It's Linden Boulevard right here. Listening to a little Dave East. I'm paranoid, so my gun cop about to run my city, but I was in the trap all Dave East right there. Yeah. I was in the trap all night, all day, trying to get my money. Waiting till that light hit green. It's gonna be some view. I'm paranoid, so my gun cock about to run my city, but I started off on one block. Let's drop a bomb to the ish. Let's drop a bomb to the ish. It's that aftermath after the storm, after the blizzard. Here we go. Got a green light on that. Be in the projects every other day. Let's drop a bomb to the ish. Be in the projects every other day, boy. I do the mission with some bunnies, I'm a play, boy. Don't even ask me what I make, boy. I got my mask on in the kitchen. See the cramp in my wrist from the whip. He acting nervous like a bitch ready bitch. End up in the dirty with the fishes. Cocaine puffing on the top. But you can smell it through the whole house. Streets got my heart cold like a old house. Sky dweller only with a gold mouth. Couple bottles of that gold ish. A bunch of fellas who I roll with. Spend their whole life